Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to use the today function in Power BI DAX. It is simple function that returns the current date, perfect for making reports that update automatically every day without you touching them. The today function returns the current date based on your system clock. The syntax is just today. It doesn't take any arguments, just type today and it will always return today's date. I have a sample order table with the columns order ID, customer name, order date, sales amount. Example to display today's date. As I told earlier, today's date is equal to today. I created a new measure here and added a card visual to display the current date. Each time you open the report, the value updates automatically. Here it is showing today's date. Let's calculate how many days have passed since each order. You can see here we have order date. We will create a calculated column because we want the result for each row. Since days since order, see here we are using date difference of order date today and day. So what it will do, here we can calculate difference between the date. This will show the difference between the order date and today for every row in a table. And that's the today function in Power BI. It's great for building dynamic up-to-date reports that require no manual date changes. If you found this useful, give the video a like, hit subscribe, and turn on notification so you don't miss more Power BI tips.